Hey everybody, and welcome to McArdle Math Academy. In this video we're going to be doing a pretty quick example of integration by trig substitution. And the example we're going to do is to essentially just set up the integral that could be used, or the substitution that could be used to find this indefinite integral. So when we talk about substitution, a basic substitution is not going to work here. And it doesn't fit any of the forms that we have, so we're going to first have to complete the square. Alright, so let's do that work on the side here. So I'm going to abbreviate that CTS. Let's complete the square for the quadratic, x squared plus 14x plus 98. Alright, so we know the general procedure is that you take this number, the b here, so we take 14, we're going to divide that by 2 and square it. So you end up with 49, and that's what you're going to add and subtract from the equation here. Alright, and in doing so, your first trinomial is going to be something that's pretty easily factorable. So you end up with x plus 7 squared, and if you FOIL that out, you'll see that you end up with x squared plus 14x plus 49. And then we combine the next pieces here. So you end up with 49. Alright, so this is the new comparable form that we're going to use to put in the integral here. Okay, so once we did the algebra on this integral, now we're going to set up our triangle, and because we have the form u squared plus a squared, we know that we're going to use a tangent substitution. Alright, and as we all know, that comes with its own protocol for setting up our triangle, which will help us make our substitution. So what we do is we take that denominator here, that becomes your hypotenuse of your triangle when you introduce a square root to it as well. Alright, and to round out the triangle, your height will be this piece, which is x plus 7, and your base will be whatever that piece, the square root of that piece is, which is 7. All right, and then doing our tangent substitution, we find that the tangent of theta is opposite, which is x plus 7 over 7. All right, and we solve this for x, so you're going to find that x is 7 tan theta minus 7. All right, so the problem asked what would be the substitution that we would make for x in order to compute this integral, and this would be the answer here. This is going to be the substitution that we would make to simplify the integral, and if you were going to continue simplifying it, we know that the procedure would be to find out what dx is, and then to take all of the things that we found from our triangle to simplify the integrand, all in terms of theta. Alright, but for the purpose of this example, our answer is 7 tangent of theta minus 7. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.